Hey everybody, my name is Cody Stepp. I'm one of the co-founders over here at Workflow Secrets, and I have put together something really incredible for you. It's called Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. Now, over the last year, we have actually worked to completely rebuild what you would consider a legacy CRM. And we've done this using modern software technology as well as some AI to build a platform that is just fundamentally going to shift the industry, and it's already being heralded as the evolution of the CRM, which is just really cool to me. Now, the reason we're doing a demo day is because every good software company has a demo day, right? And I want the opportunity to really showcase to you the software and what it could do to help your real estate business. So we're doing things a little bit different than these legacy traditional CRMs where they may store data, but they're not really using that data for you. And they may have automations, but you still have to manually start these automated processes that are oftentimes hundreds of steps, which can just be overwhelming to anyone, especially someone who is already strapped for time, like most real estate agents are. So, when you visit this website, just down below, what you're going to get access to is the ability to see the Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. You can watch all of these videos. Spent the last 2 months building them to make some really cool content for you to understand the SAM 2.0 platform. But the real kicker is at the very bottom, I have a invite for you so that you can attend our demo day live. Now, when you attend this demo day live in January, we're going to have two opportunities for you to attend on the same day. And I'm doing that so that you can pick which time works best for you. I really want to be diligent with your schedule. And so you can go down there, sign up, pick the time that works best for you. And we're going to spend 90 minutes together. We're going to show you some real life case studies of how you could use the software. We're going to open up the floor for some Q&A. And then we're going to walk away with a really cool offer for you guys so that you could gain access to the SAM 2.0 platform. I'm really excited to help you guys. I've spent my entire career in real estate technology, and I've been working under the tutelage of Mark Stepp, who spent the last 35 years in real estate technology, helping real estate agents build and create successful real estate businesses. And that's exactly what we want to do. But we want to do it in a way that is just going to fundamentally shift the real estate industry. And I'm so excited for you to be a part of this because you are going to benefit from having some really cool technology. So go ahead, follow the link below, see exactly what I'm talking about, watch some of these videos to get an idea of the SAM 2.0 platform, and then get signed up for the event so that we can hang out live. But I will see you there.